In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a loyalty program in Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the page that displays your available Odoo applications. This is where you can access the tools and modules installed in your system. From there, scroll down until you find the Sales section. When you see it, click on Sales to open the Sales application. After the Sales app loads, go to Configuration, then click Settings. On the Settings page, look to the left-hand menu and select Sales, so you're viewing the sales-related options specifically. Now find the Pricing section. In this area, enable the option called Discounts, Loyalty and Gift Card. This setting is important because it activates the loyalty features you'll need before you can create a program. Once that's enabled, return to the main sales application. Next, go to Products, then select Discount and Loyalty. This is the area where loyalty programs, discount rules, and related rewards are managed. On the Discount and Loyalty page, click New to create a new program. In the Program Name field, enter a name for your loyalty program. For example, you can use Customer Loyalty Program. Or, choose any name that clearly identifies the purpose of the program. Then, in Program Type, select Loyalty Cards. This tells Odoo that you want to create a points-based loyalty setup rather than a different kind of promotional program. After that, move to the Points Unit field and enter the name of the points customers will earn. A simple example would be points. Keep this label easy to understand, since it may be shown to customers and staff during use. Now use the Available On setting to choose where the loyalty program can be used. This helps define the program's availability depending on your sales channels. Once that's done, click the Rules and Rewards tab. Under Conditional Rules, click Add to create a rule. Here, configure the conditions customers must meet to earn loyalty points, and specify how many points they will receive. This is the part that defines how your loyalty system works in practice. Then, under Rewards, click Add. Select the reward type and configure the reward customers can receive. After choosing the reward, enter the number of points required for customers to redeem it. Make sure the reward value and required points make sense for your business goals. Before finishing, review everything carefully, including the program name, the loyalty points unit, the earning rules, and the rewards. Once everything looks correct, your loyalty program is configured in Odoo and ready to reward customers with loyalty points. Thanks for watching.